Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes, and box time. But I think these are just samples, so let's chop into them and see how they work. Roll with me. All right, so I'm back in, ready to chop into this box and see what it is. You guys probably already know what it is, but I am not sure. And see what we have here, what we can sample out. I have a feeling that I think it's some samples that I got, or not samples, but small portions of certain bottles. Not sure if that's what it is, but we'll see. We have here, got a bunch of paper, and oh, yep, it is. It's a discovery set for the BellaVita. Now, BellaVita is a fragrance line that I've been seeing a lot lately. Boxes all over the place. I've been seeing a lot lately. I actually got a few of the fragrances, and from what I can smell, what I've gathered, they have some pretty good fragrances, and they're usually pretty cheap. So I want to see what this one, I think this is more of like the exclusive line, or one of the, they're supposed to be some of the newer fragrances that came out by them. So let's check them out. Might be stumbling onto some greatness. Okay, and here we go. From the front, it says BellaVita Discovery Set, 7 days, 7 fragrances. And let's see how this opens up. Does it slide out? Or does it fold out? Oh, okay. This opens up here. And here we go. It's a little entry thank you, I guess, somewhat. And here's the fragrances. Smell sits right in there. And I'm smelling some oud or something from the box. It may be a mixture of all of the fragrances put together, but so this is 7 fragrances. So I'm not going to go too heavy into them. I'm just going to spray them on paper, which we know is maybe not a true value of what the fragrance smells like, but I am going to go and do that really quickly, and I'm going to let you guys go. Not going to hold on to you too long. So let's start with this first one. I think these are like maybe 8 milliliter bottles. This one is Goat Man. And the good thing about this, these are glass, or at least it feels like glass, so the fragrance won't go bad for a little while. There we go, Goat Man. Oh, this smells, oh man, this smells like something. This smells like, is it Aventus? Or Bleu de Chanel? It's something really popular. This is a standout fragrance. I think it's Bleu de Chanel. Or Sauvage, maybe? Yeah, it's bright. Why is my camera not focusing? Okay, but yeah, it's a fresh kind of fragrance. It's nice. It's really good. It's something that you smell every day. I think it's Bleu de Chanel, but I'll put, this is what it smells like right there. Okay. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Tell this live, no editing, no fakeness to the funk. This is what it is. This is what I smell. This is what I feel. Try not to, that's one of the reasons why I try not to edit too much, so it can be realistic. Next one up is this one here. This is Club Man. There we go. Is it focusing? Okay, I am focused in there. Let's try this one. See what this one smells like. Oh, oh, that's strong. Sweet, sweet, kind of. Yeah, it does kind of smell like a club scent. Doesn't smell like uh like a arrows or anything like that, but it does smell sweet. It smells like you would grab a lot of attention because you're out moving around. But it's sweet. It's sweet and fresh at the same time, and playful. Very playful kind of fragrance. Okay, not bad. This is actually not bad. Club Man. Okay, let's see this next one. Next one is Oud Go. Here we go. Oud Go. Is that coming in? I think it did. But I've actually seen this one in Burlington's a few times, and I was actually thinking about picking it up. So if it's good, maybe I will. And it's usually, oh man, this spray, okay, this spray is messed up. Oh yeah, that spray is terrible. This bottle is terrible. Let me see. I twisted and twisted back. Let's see. It's a little bit better, but yeah, this spray is terrible. It's leaking all over my hand. Oh, this is kind of nice. This smells like something from oh man, this smells like something from is it Mansura or Montal? One of those. It smells like one of those. A fragrance from that house. Oh man. Oh yeah, this is nice, but it smells like a wearable oud. It's not skanky, but it's like right on the edge of being skanky, but it's pretty nice. It's not bad, but it has a little sweetness to it. What is it called? What's it called? Honey oud? No, Oud Gold. Yeah, it smells like something sweet, like maybe amber with it, or oh, I know what I was thinking. I was thinking honey oud. I think that's by Montal. That might be what it smells like. Reminds me of. Not an exact thing, but that's coming off the paper. So take that with a grain of salt. The next one up is CEO Man. I think I've actually smelled this one before, but we'll go ahead and try it out. Hopefully this sprayer is a little bit better than the last one. Let's see. Yeah, that was better. Oh yeah, this is nice. This smells like an office scent. Kind of smells like oh man, it smells like something. Oh man, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Versace Pour Homme or Versace Signature. Kind of reminds me of that, but it's a fresh straight out of the shower kind of vibe. It has a very office safe kind of fragrance. Yeah. So I'll put whatever I think it smells like. I'll put it up here. So with the other ones also. And let's see, this next one up is Sky Band. Is that gonna come in? Sky, what is that? Sky Aquatic, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what this one smells like. Mm. Oh, this is nice. This smells like deep and rich, but also kind of aquatic a little bit. It smells like the deep sea, like where down deep in the sea and it's dark. This is kind of nice. This is like an aquatic, fresh kind of fragrance that you can wear in the evenings or designed for the evenings. This is kind of nice. This is nice. It could be buttoned up, but it could also be casual. This is kind of nice. I kind of like this one. It has this dark, um, oceanic kind of vibe to it. And oh man, that's nice. If I, yeah, that's nice. That one's cool. Okay, not gonna spend too much time on it because I got 7 fragrances here, and I'm trying not to hold you guys too long. And I'm already at I went longer than 10 minutes. Okay, let's see. This next one up is Ocean Man. It's kind of weird how they put those in order because the last one was smelled kind of like deep, dark, aquatic, and this one is called Ocean Man. Let's see if this one's aquatic also. I don't smell anything with this one. I mean, I smell something, but it smells very airy. It smells like just airy. Like it smells like almost like if you could smell water. It smells like that, but airy. Like if you were smelling water from across the room, but obviously you can't smell water from across the room, and it's a fresh water, not like a stagnant or bad water. Yeah, it just smells airy. It smells kind of clean, but it just smells airy. Like I don't even know how to put that in words, but it's not salty and not like a pool water and not like a sea water or lake water. It's more like water if you run a bath for yourself and you're standing next to the water. That's what it kind of smells like, but it's very, very airy. This is something that if you had this on, if you're a person that wants to put something on but don't want to be loud or anything like that, this is really good for you because it's really, really close and it's not a strong scent either. It smells, like I said, it just smells airy. Okay, and this last one is, what is this one? This one is, White Oud. Is that gonna come here? Oh, there we go. White Oud. Let's see. Sounds interesting. Okay. Okay, I understand why it's called White Oud. It's like a floral. Yeah, this smells almost feminine. Almost feminine leaning. Actually no. This one is feminine leaning. This one smells like lilies. Lilies, and the oud is in the background. It's like the lilies are right here in front of you, and the oud is like maybe about 5 feet away. So it has like character, and this is not a feminine fragrance for a female that's just just bouncing around or whatever. This is more like a boss lady kind of fragrance. Not that it's stuffy, because it's not stuffy. It smells good. It smells approachable, but it smells respectable, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is nice, but it smells like it's fleeting already. Yeah, it's fleeting, but Again, it's on paper, so we gotta take that with a grain of salt. And that is it. That's all of them. So it was pretty good. These are, what is it, 8 milliliter bottles. Here we go. There's 7 of them, 8 milliliter bottles, and there's 7 fragrances for 7 days of the week. I'm not sure if I would wear like a couple of them. Maybe the white oud, I'm not sure if I would wear. Maybe I would. And the Ocean Man. Yeah, Ocean Man. I doubt that I will wear that because it's so light, but maybe it's on the skin. It might change up a little bit. It might be a lot better. So yeah. All right. That's all I got for you today. Just wanted to run through those 7 scents with that one sample discovery box. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.